Assembling a clarinet mouthpiece sounds simple, but trust me, it's one of those deceptively tricky things. First thing, make sure you've got your clarinet set up nearby. Don't be that person searching for reeds mid-assembly. Start with the reed. It's such a small thing, but oh man, it's everything to the sound of your clarinet. Soak it in water for about a minute. Don't skip this, or your reed will squeak like a trapped mouse. While the reed soaks, grab the ligature, the little metal or leather piece. It's weirdly delicate, so work carefully. Slide it over the mouthpiece with the screws facing you. Double-check that alignment for your sanity later. Now carefully pull the reed out of the water. Align its tip with the mouthpiece's tip, just ever so slightly visible above it. Think precision here. Millimeters matter. Uneven placement. Your playing will sound like chaos. Slide the reed under the ligature slowly. If you shove it in like it's a game piece, it's gonna break. Then you'll be stuck scrambling for your backup reed or crying. Your choice. Tighten the ligature screws. Not too much, not too little. Aim for Goldilocks, just right. A loose ligature lets the reed flop. An over-tightened one, well, it's like choking the sound out of the instrument. Here's a pro tip. Keep the mouthpiece tilted slightly upward while tightening. Gravity will do some of the work for you. Let that happen. It's weirdly satisfying. And it works. Now attach the mouthpiece to the barrel of your clarinet. It might feel a little snug, so use a gentle twisting motion like you're screwing in a light bulb. Don't force it, or you'll be that person buying a new one. Double-check the reed again because, trust me, reeds have a mind of their own. A bump while tightening means the tip might have shifted without you noticing. Even a millimeter will mess with your tone. Give the screws a final once-over. Not to the bone-crushing tightness stage, but firm enough that the reed stays in place when you look at it sideways. Nobody has time for an unruly reed mid-practice. If you're doing all this for the first time, expect to fumble. That's normal. Think of it as a hand dexterity workout. By your 100th setup, you'll feel like a mouthpiece ninja. Maybe. Once it's assembled, take a quick play test. If it sounds airy or squeaky, pause. Adjust the reed because it's always the reed. Clarinet players complain about this reality, but hey, it keeps us humble.